not. I don't think it's the Bills. I know the way I remembered it was like Billy's a millionaire, and so that was T-bills are $1 million.
Yeah.
Oh,
So it would be yeah.
I'm going.
So is
B.
it a
Options
T-bill
are
or
different.
T-bond?
I think that's a bond.
Okay.
Yeah. So so it's not very
You're right
clear
on
on
the
the
options.
question. So it's just like a general treasury futures. Which treasury
I think
futures?
it's
Good
D.
one.
No, I think it's D. I think it's D though.
B?
I'm gonna say B. I don't
went
know,
B
but it's
as
gonna be either
well.
B or D. Yeah.
Deanna, do you know of any Series 3 questions that are very clear? That's my first
That's
That's
a very good
great.
point.
Okay, great point.
Whole
It's
like
all trick
Steve.
questions all the way through. Yeah.
All right, let's go ahead and close that pull down and get you back to the markets. We are looking at Duray's 2 for 2, 2 days in a row.
Yeah.
Wow.
Damn it.
that.
Answered too
Nice.
fast.
It was T-bond. So it was
60.
T-bond options.
Yep. It is 64ths.
Whole.
All right.
Details,
We'll see you
details,
guys back
details.
in
These are the trick questions.
Yeah.
Yeah. Series
That was
3
a good,
play.
that was a good question.
So it was.
Devil is in the detail.
Did see some sellers come in for a hot minute there. Looks like the buyer's going to try taking this a little higher here. Man, buyers are resilient right now in the Nasdaq.
I want
That was
nowhere
870.
fast right now.
Looking for that upside target 950. That's also the above below Anne Marie called out. So let's get it done both times here. 19,878. Look at the S&Ps 57.14 last trade. Will be time working some offers. Where'd you pull them?
900s.
900s. Yep, that was the.
Yep,
that's the price. 3,100
We got a lot
people
of
watching.
work stuff
really
there.
good or really bad.
Let's get it. Click
That's
like,
how a
follow,
range
and
trade
subscribe,
goes.
please. Yes, absolutely. Let's get those 900s.
Oh yeah, good
8,000
question,
watch code,
Micah. Who hasn't passed the Series 3? Dre, when you taking yours? You get to be due up eventually.
I am due up. Tomorrow. Well, yep, next week, or I gotta actually schedule that. Dolby, thanks for doing that. Yeah.
Trey.
Yes.
Trey, did you not
Guilty,
watch
yes.
Series 3
Yes.
yet?
I will get it. I will. Very.
Oh,
Yes,
I'm like that
will.
asshole kid in class who's like, "Didn't you say there's homework to turn in, Miss What's Your Face?"
Yo.
I turned mine in.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, I have to get it.
That was
Many
not
reasons,
me
but
when I was
yes.
in school. That was
Have to
not
get
me
it.
in school.
I'm shocked, Dolby. Shocked, I tell you.
He has it. Dolby has it.
I did get it. I did get it. It was very stressful, trust me. But I did get it.
It's the math. The math got me. Rules and regs, no problem.
See, I was the opposite. The math I was fine with, but
really?
the regulations, oh my God. I spent 5 weeks prepping for it just to drill all of the regulations into my head. But math I got really quickly, you know?
I found the rules and regs easy, but the math was hard until I had to took it a second time. Second time's way easier. Isn't that funny?
Yeah, but you couldn't know what to expect the second time. So I can kind of understand that.
They gave me easier questions the second time. I'm not going to lie.
Mm.
Felt like it was
Lucky.
maybe a little bit of bias because it's like, oh, I've seen a lot of this before, but it did feel like it was a lot easier. I didn't have any of like those Roman numeral questions where it's like, 1 and 2,
2
1
and
and
4.
3, 1, 2
yeah.
and 4. I didn't really have any of those. I was like, oh, I got the easy version today. This is good.
The worst.
Oh, those are awful. And I'm like ADD too, so I'll read that question for 5 minutes and just blow all my test time.
Yeah, I kind of skipped over some of them that I was kind of pretty sure I'm not gonna get the right answer. Luckily, there was only like 4 of them or so, and I just thought to myself, yeah, no idea. So I just sort of clicked randomly and carried on. But in the end, I finished it kind of quicker than I thought I was supposed to. And I sat there and I thought to myself, well, this is either going to be great or it's going to be very, very bad.
Did you second guess yourself that you got through it so quickly?
Yeah. and then I clicked, and the computer was so old at the testing
Oh, it took
center. It
forever.
took a full 2 minutes to
So
spew out the
stressful.
answer. Yeah, I
So
was
stressful.
like cold sweat, just like, come on, put me out of my misery. And the thing is just like loading and loading, and finally it was like, you passed, and I was like, phew, thank God for
Get me
that.
out of here.
That was a
Yeah.
lot. Upside Nasdaq, ES
Do
5719.
we have a delta? Do we have a delta
Yeah.
update?
Hogue,
yeah.
Delta. Get that from Hogue. 800 offer, 5719 in the ES.
Yeah, it tilted
Oh, it's
60-40 in Nasdaq, so that's picked up a little bit.
hot right.
Average long is 19,900 though. That's been hanging in there for a while. Hanging in there for a while.
Anne-Marie Delta plus 13,000 in the ES, minus 400 in the
So it's still
NQ.
building.
It's
Okay.
growing. Yep.
Yeah, they're
And
creeping
we'll
up
see
there.
5 minutes.
It's trying.
NQ ladder. Anything in there? Nope.
I see a few
that
questions
time.
about why would you take Series 3? All of you have Series 3. Why would you want to sit for that test? I don't know. Maybe because we have a Top Step TV channel and we're watched by a whole bunch of people who are
Whole bunch of
sort
people.
of taking suggestions from our stuff. So since you're slightly public facing, it stands to reason that you should have some sort of qualifications to
Starting to get
back
filled
up.
here.
Are we?
Yeah,
That's good
we're
here.
gonna
Two.
run. Yeah.
They moved up to
Where's our-
29s.
All right, here we go. Here we
You got
go. 800s. It's going to be the targets. Try to get our risk to around 500.
All right.
All right, cool. We're in a good spot.
Mm-hmm.
Let this cook.
Okay.
Short. All right. Here we go. Got
900
4 minutes.
units for shorts.
Excellent. Oh, they keep messing around with that ES offer.
Advancers to decliners, still negative, but on the rise.
Okay.
Question in chat: why are we short?
Okay,
We
hey.
are top of the 30-minute range. We've been ranging all day. A lot of wicks up here around 900s. So we're going to see if there's going to be a stop run.
Mhm.
And then
Especially if the
fail back
longs came in at
Mhm.
19,900, they probably might want to puke up there too,
cover. Mm-hmm.
which might help the
Like-
short.
Yep. Obviously, not financial advice. Do not
Nope.
copy the trade. Take your own trades.
Mm-hmm.
This is one trade of many.
Hey, you.
900s. That's right. You click the button.
I
Right.
just love this disclaimer. Hey, you. Listen up.
Yeah. What's it say at the bottom there? Yeah. Don't be a lemming.
Don't be a lemming.
That's right.
Short
2,902 or 4. Average price
903s.
3. All right. Look at the tilts. 68% long ES, 64% long NQ. Or Lenny's. That's right, Hogue.
Short 6.
All right. Last trade. 2009-11.
Yep.
Building into this. All right.
Hey, at least they made a move before, like 2 minutes before the close.
I know,
Which
Right.
has
thank
been happening a lot
goodness.
recently.
And about 2.5 minutes for our MOC.
Thank you, Eddie. Great job again today, Eddie.
Short
Likewise,
8.
Andre.
Thank you. Short 8. Average price
907s.
907.
Short 10. We're full. We are now looking for a reversal.
Hmm.
So we are now short
Yes.
910s.
He is about to hit GEX 2, already hitting its VWAP. So let's see what they do
Okay.
here.
10. Average price Dolby time. Last time I'll ask.
910s. 19,000 910s.
Alrighty.
We're now looking for a rejection of range high.
73% long ES. Last time we got that heavy, we did see a sell off earlier in power hour. See if that is the case this time around. Let's trade the ES 5722. I was kind of short the micro Nasdaq right now.
Mm-hmm. Wish I was trading Nasdaq or micro way earlier today. Way earlier.
Emery, still long?
Yes, sir. I moved my stop up to 19,900.50.
150. Okay.
So if it pulls back, I'll open up another trade on that base.
Nice.
But
Less than 60 seconds.
Sorry,
MOC.
I'm just getting I'm getting TPs in here. Cool.
Downside. All right.
So basically,
take
we're in
profit.
we're in take profit mode. So just
What'd you think
every
you meant,
10 points
Emery?
down.
I don't. I saw. I was listening to Zero J. So if anything falls into my mind, I'm blaming him.
Oh no.
It's his
It was
fault.
great. It was great.
Segment. What a
I
segment.
listen.
Yeah.
I was watching that segment like this.
Oh no. I was thinking about you. I know. I was thinking about you. I know.
I seriously was.
I know.
It was so funny. I was laughing, but I wouldn't
10
have wanted
seconds.
my mother to see
10
me
seconds.
laughing.
You got it, Jinx.
Oh, here we go. Remember this thing.
There we go.
All
Yep.
right. Ooh. All right.
All right, this side, S&P 1,533,000,000. Sell side, Nasdaq, only 196 million. Buy side, Dow, 330 million. Mag 7, we are just about full on the sell side, 345 million. Once again here, S&P 1 billion, about 500 million buy side.
Ooh,
Buy side,
Dolby.
buy side.
One.
That's
I'll be watching this.
Interesting.
nice.
We are selling off after that MOC. Heavy buy side on the
Nice.
ES. We sold off.
Only out
Last trade in
one.
Nasdaq, 19,888. Emery,
So we moved our stop down
Yeah.
to 922s. So we do not want to see this make a higher high at all.
Mhm.
Should not happen for this range trade. But we're all off one, so we have 9 remaining. TPs at 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, 99. All the way down.
All right. What?
Oh no,
Seems
it's great.
cool.
Like
Yes, it was.
tongue twister there.
He's got a
Yeah.
plan. Seems
Got
some
a
selling
plan.
here
Yeah.
in the ES as well. Nasdaq saw selling on that MOC. Of course, those numbers can and will change. Eddie will keep us in the loop throughout. We got 8 minutes left here in Power Hour. Anything can happen at this point. Nike earnings after the bell.
Oof.
All you sneakerheads.
Oh, that's right. Yeah. We were talking about that earlier.
Mhm.
All right.
I've got an order
Need
to
a-
go
need a
long
fidget
at
spinner.
877.
Nice.
Okay.
I need like a fidget spinner right now because I want to do so many things with the order.
Oh, hang in there, Dole. We got this.
Gotta let this range play out, as agonizing as it is. Let the range play.
Range,
I think we're talking about that with Coach Jay and Oliver, just about how agonizing it is sometimes to just sticking to the plan, just letting everything play out. And like the one day you don't do it is the one day it works. So the one way you do it, then it doesn't work. We're always just kind of on this carousel of trading, trying to manage our discipline. The best thing to do often is just let everything play out. Follow your rules.
Yep. Yeah. If I find myself getting like that, I'll put the trade on and I'll leave my office. But I always find myself
Mhm.
running back inside to go,
I know.
what just happened?
Oh, another?
And
You
so
were
I'll
in.
leave again. Yes, I'm in.
Oh, sorry, that was you, not us.
And yeah.
All right. We're break even.
And then I
Nice.
have 850 also if it comes in there.
Okay.
Nice.
What's our position now, Dolby?
Short 8. That's it. At 912.
So you
we're
pulled
starting to
2
feel.
off?
Yeah, we started selling 1 at 80s, 70s, and then
Interesting.
10 points all the way down to 800.
Oh, nice. Nice.
So that's the full range. That's the full range trade. But we're risk off right now. I don't think we really made a ton of money thus far. I mean, if we go flat now, it's pretty sizable at like almost 570 on micros. But those first 2 trades that we took some profit on it's not a lot. We're talking maybe $100 between everything.
If we lose this edge, it's going to look bad for buying the dip here.
Any change, Eddie?
Shorts are gonna.
Nasdaq has about 500 million sell side. Just as you spoke, we only have 900 million here. Buy side S&Ps.
Okay.
Mag 7 has gone full sale, 540 million, and a down
might be flipping.
217 million buy side.
Sweet.
Dolby, you work in construction over there.
Playing some
No,
drums.
I'll try. I have a fidget spinner. Hold on.
Get back here, Dolby. Go get that fidget spinner. Dolby and the house are short from 19,910, I do believe. Did you get the fidget spinner? Did you get the drumsticks?
I did. Yeah, I had to get my magic blue balls that I can.
Hello.
guys
There you go. We're
Jingle
going into
too,
a
right?
close
You guys
here.
have seen these before, right?
Oh, yes.
Anytime. We used to have
just
those on the
gonna
trading
ask.
floor. Yeah.
What, blue balls?
Here goes the chat.
Here
goes.
Okay, guys, so we made it to 5K again, power hour. That's it for today, guys. So like I said before, if you're interested in the system, there's a link in the description of this video. You can contact me so I can put you in the waiting list for the delivery at the end of this month. Okay, that was a good trade right there. Market pushed higher. But that's it, guys. That's it for today. Yes, they made a great trade. And well, the Nasdaq is one of the best traders here. It moves very quickly, but don't pay attention, guys, to all these contracts that I trade. Okay, so the signal is the same for micros. Okay, so if you're gonna trade micros or minis, it's the same. Okay, it's not gonna alter anything. The thing is that, for example, if you don't want to make too much trades, okay, because sometimes in the morning, you know, power hour is for the market adjustments, and the big traders come to play. So maybe in the morning, sometimes the market gets sideways. So I'm gonna provide another workspace for you to trade sideways markets, or if you want less trades. Some people don't want to have too many trades. They would like to have one trade per bar. Because if you copy, these trades are very quick. So if you copy, it's not like the ES. ES is you can copy, it's no problem. But the Nasdaq is very thin, and copying 20 accounts can be challenging. So well, guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, guys, to give it a like to the video if you like this content. Okay, so I see people watching the videos but don't give the like. Okay, so I would really need your like. Okay, thanks.